So it's not quite spring in Zone 8B. This gives us a great opportunity to talk about germinating seeds. Something to consider when talking about the germination of seeds is that it doesn't need to be overtly complicated or expensive. Your seed germination should be a simple and inexpensive process. A seed is the embryonic state of a plant's life cycle. So everything that seed needs is going to be in that embryonic tissue. And it's going to be a mixture of oil, starch, and protein. So it has everything it needs. The only variable that you're applying are the conditions. Now, granted, those conditions do change depending on what seed it is you're growing. For instance, passion fruit, the germination process for it is going to be completely different from that of a Swiss chard. So it really depends on the seed that you're germinating. Here's a video on a simple DIY seed germination that I use from recycled materials just around my house to show you how uncomplicated and inexpensive it really can be. Now, if you found this content helpful, consider sharing it with a friend, possibly throwing me a like. Appreciate Enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden. Thanks for watching, guys.